I'm gonna show you how to change the battery in the MyQ sensor, the one that goes on the garage. It's really simple to do. First, what you want to do is go under here with a flathead screwdriver. You see this slot, and you just want to turn it. It'll pop loose. And once it pops loose, you have the battery here. So the only thing you have to do is take this battery out. Just get something that's non-conductive, piece of plastic or whatever, and push that battery, and it'll come right out. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but what it is, it's a CR2450. Let me bring it up to the screen. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is a CR2450. Okay, you take your new battery, just slide it in. Put it into place and you'll hear it snap in. And that's it. That's how easy it is to change the battery on the MyQ Connect. It's the one that mounts on the garage. It has a sensor. So if you want to purchase any of this stuff, like I said, look in the description below, or look in the drop down, or I pin it in my comment. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm gonna leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store, and I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm gonna leave a drop down, or it's in the description, or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.